Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the Getsockopt connection error in Minecraft so you can join your favorite servers without timing out. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The first thing we need to do is clear out any old or corrupted network data that might be blocking your connection to the server. Go to your Windows search bar at the bottom left and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator to make sure we have full permissions. In the black window that pops up, type the following command exactly: ipconfig /flush DNS and hit Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. You can now close this window. Next, we are going to manually set your DNS servers to Google's public DNS, which is often more stable for gaming than the default one provided by your ISP. Open your Start menu again and search for Control Panel, then click to open it. Click on Network and Internet, and then select Network and Sharing Center. On the left-hand side, click on Change Adapter Settings. Find the network you are currently using, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right-click on it and select Properties. In the list, look for Internet Protocol version 4 and double-click it, or click Properties. Select the circle that says Use the following DNS server addresses. In the Preferred box, type 8.8.8.8. In the Alternate box, type 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the settings and then close on the next window. Finally, we need to make sure your computer isn't treating Minecraft as a security threat. Search for Windows Defender Firewall in your Start menu and open it. On the left side, click on the link that says Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click the Change Settings button at the top right to unlock the list. Scroll down and look for every entry named Minecraft, Java Platform SE Binary, or OpenJDK Platform Binary. For every single one of these entries, make sure both the private and public checkboxes are ticked. Once you have checked them all, click OK at the bottom to save. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Getsockopt error and get back to building with your friends. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.